Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding. Stop. Woo. Woo. Stop.
That file.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here we have already the projected screen from the laptop computer. If you notice that the screen is blurred and the projection is not on the center of the whiteboard projector. So first, since it is quite low, so you can adjust the projector. We have here a screw for adjusting the level. Okay. Then. Okay. So once it fits on the screen, so you can also check on the focus. The focus is located here, so you can turn it clockwise to the right, or you can counterclockwise towards the left, and try to locate the best possible screen view that would be very clear to all the audience. Okay, and if you notice the screen is tilted to the right or to the left, you can press on the menu button of the projector and try to locate the screen. The keystone. So the keystone is on the second selection. This one. So you can select, okay, and okay. Then after selecting, after making all the necessary adjustments, you can go back to exit, press exit. Then, next is locate the file that you're going to present. So, at this stage, I'm now looking for a file, the desired file that you're going to present. In this case, you're going to present the civil plans. Then you can start now with your discussion. Okay? So the next step that I'm going to show you is how are you going projector. Okay? First, you have to turn off your computers. And by the way, if your computer does not project anything on the projector, you may press a function plus a function key on your computer depending on your laptop brands. So right now, I'm going to turn it off. So look for the shutdown of your computer. Okay, in this case, what I do now, so I turn it off. And next is I'm going to turn off my projector. So again, you're going to locate the power button. Okay, pressing it once, the projector will ask you if you're going really to turn this one on. So pressing it again will somehow turn the projector.
More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry your brain. More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry